Just gained our 17th named storm of the Atlantic hurricane season. Yeah, we're still in hurricane season until the end of the month. Rafael took shape over the last few days before impacting Cuba. Now, yesterday did make landfall in Cuba as a Category 3 storm. That is a major hurricane, bringing in 115-mile-per-hour winds along the island. Now, this has moved to the north of Cuba and in the southern Gulf, just to the west of Key West. Some of the outer bands definitely making for some cloudy skies and a little bit of rain across areas of South Florida. Otherwise, we're going to notice that this has actually weakened. It's now a Category 2 storm with max winds of 105 miles per hour, but wind gusts of 125. It's still moving to the northwest at 12 miles per hour. Now, we don't often see tropical systems making their way into the Gulf in November, and if we do, they generally weaken. And that's exactly the trend that's happening with Rafael over the next several days. So let me show you this. This is going into tonight. We're going to see that it holds its Category 2 strength through the remainder of the day and into the overnight with max winds of 100 miles per hour. It'll eventually downgrade to a Category 1 storm with 90-mile-per-hour wind gusts as we head into Saturday morning, and then very slowly take a downward shift towards the southwest, and this is early next week. So yesterday when we were talking about this, it looked like some of that moisture could make it onto Texas, maybe even Louisiana. Now it's looking very unlikely, and this is because of systems like cold fronts that push through Texas and eventually help steer this thing away from us, and that's exactly what's happening. We'll talk a little bit more about how long that hurricane season lasts in the next hour right here on Daybreak, Kara.